So 9:50. It's about time we started the break. So let's do this. What's up, guys? Joe 45 Joe Sports. I'm live with our third break. Break 1646. Series 2, 1617. That's a double box break. That's for sure. Let's do this. Box number 1. Marner Laney. Or who are we going to add? Jacob Larson? William Curry? We're about to find out. He's dead. So, pack number 1. Started with the portraits for the Florida Panthers, Michael Madsen. Number 2. We have a canvas, Nashville Predators, Picarine. Next, we have a marquee rookie, New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Canvas, Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise. We have a marquee rookie, Columbus, Zach Werenski. So still no young gun. Yes, French or Werenski, sorry for you. Marquee rookie, Arizona, Anthony D'Angelo. Next, we have a young gun, Pittsburgh Penguins, Tristan Jarry. Coyotes, Dylan Strome. Young gun, Buffalo Sabres, William Curry. There he is. Of a marquee rookie, rainbow, foil, whatever. New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich. Portraits, Minnesota Wild, Mike Reilly. Portraits, New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. We have a young gun. This time it goes to the Winnipeg Jets. Patrick Laney. Ooh. There it is. Nice hit for the Winnipeg Jets. Patrick Laney, young gun. Pretty sure that's the hit Winnipeg wanted. Next, we have a marquee rookie, Chicago, Tyler Mutte. Young gun, San Jose Sharks, Timo Meier. We have a clear cut, New Counters, Josh Bailey. Canvas, San Jose Sharks, Michael Butker. Young gun, Anaheim Ducks, Andres Case. Portraits, Columbus, Oliver Bjorkstrand. We have a UD signature, Buffalo Sabres, Zengus Gergensen. Next pack. You have the POE for the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome.
Again?
Yes, again. But still, it's a nice box. Next, we have a Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Zaitsev. Young gun, New Jersey Devils, Scott Wedgwood. And last pack of box number 1. We have the O-Pee-Chee update, Boston Bruins, David Backes. So that was box number 1. Let's do box number 2. It's Marner time now. So let's see if we have a Marner or a second Patrick Laney. Patrick Laney. Connor. Alright, box 2, pack 1. We start with the canvas. Detroit Red Wings, Andres Athanasiou. Pack number 2. Marquee rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Zaitsev. Young Gun, Columbus, Marcus Nitovara. Next, we have a portraits, Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stecher. Canvas, Dallas Stars. Oh, he's scared. Jamie Benn. Frank, I need your help. I'm gonna get a puck in the face. Frank. Jamie Benn for Dallas. Next pack, we have Marquee rookie for the Panthers, Dennis Mulligan. Scored yesterday. Sweet go. Next, we have a Young Gun canvas for the Philadelphia Flyers, Travis Konecny. Nice hit for the Flyers. Next, we have the Coyotes, Christian Dvorak. Young Gun, Vancouver Canucks, Thatcher Demko. So, I think it's the Marner pattern. So we might have a Marner Young Gun. Optic update. OPG update, sorry. OPG update, Frederik Andersen, Toronto Maple Leafs. Next, we have a portrait, Colorado Avalanche, Chris Bigra. What the hell is that? So that's a base card. So you guys see it now. Oh, base. Whole base. Next pack. Young Gun, Florida Panthers, Colorado. Next, Marquee rookie, Rainbow, Edmonton Oilers, Jake Caguala. Portraits, Montreal, Archery Lakanen. Next, we have Marquee rookie, Arizona, Dylan Strome. Young Gun, Buffalo Sabres, Nick Baptiste. Panthers, Dennis Mulligan. Young Gun, Toronto Maple Leafs, Brandon Leipzig. So I don't think we're going to have a Marner. Next pack, we have the game jersey, Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Canvas, Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Portraits, Buffalo Sabres, Justin Bailey. Young Gun, Arizona Coyotes, Anthony DeAngelo. And our last pack, we have a Marquee rookie, Arizona Coyotes, Christian Dvorak. Right, so that is it for our double box break of Series 2 16-17. I'll be right back in, I would say, 4 minutes with our case break of OPC Platinum 16-17. It's going to be a nice case, so you guys don't want to miss that. So I'll be back.